In the digital age, a solid online presence isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for every small business. Whether you're a startup or an established local brand, SEO plays a critical role in getting noticed by the right audience. But with countless SEO tools on the market, finding one that fits your needs and budget can feel overwhelming. Let's be honest, not all SEO software is created equal. Some are packed with features but come with hefty price tags. Others are affordable but require a steep learning curve or offer limited functionality. This creates a real challenge for small business owners who need effective solutions that don't demand a full-time commitment. For example, SEMrush is a fantastic all-in-one SEO tool widely used by marketers. It provides robust features for keyword research, site audits, and tracking competitors. However, it's not always the most cost-effective choice for small businesses. Ahrefs, another popular tool, excels in backlink analysis and keyword discovery, but its pricing may not align with a limited budget. For those just starting, platforms like Ubersuggest offer a free option with basic features, but may lack the depth required for serious growth. Now, if you're focusing on video content, a rising star in the world of marketing, there's one tool that stands out as a game changer for small businesses. It's not just about traditional SEO. This software is purpose-built for video SEO, offering the perfect balance of simplicity, affordability, and effectiveness. Here's why this #1 video SEO software deserves your attention. First, it eliminates guesswork by identifying high-traffic, low-competition keywords in your niche. These are the hidden gems that can make all the difference in getting your videos ranked on platforms like YouTube and even Google. Instead of competing with big players in saturated markets, you'll target the optimal areas where your content can thrive. Second, it handles the technical side of video optimization effortlessly. With just a few clicks, you'll have perfectly optimized titles, descriptions, and tags tailored for maximum visibility. Even if you have no prior experience with SEO, this tool guides you through the process seamlessly, saving you hours of work. Additionally, it provides detailed competitor analysis. Imagine being able to see what's working for videos in your niche keywords, descriptions, and even traffic insights, and using that knowledge to outshine your competition. This feature alone gives you a significant advantage. But what truly sets this software apart is its focus on results. It's not just about increasing views. It's about driving meaningful traffic to your business. Whether you're promoting a product, a service, or simply trying to grow your brand, this tool empowers you to reach your goals faster and more effectively than traditional methods. While tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs are fantastic for broader SEO strategies, this software is uniquely positioned to help you master the video-first marketing trend, which is rapidly becoming a cornerstone of online success. If you're ready to take control of your online presence, I highly recommend exploring this tool. It's designed with small businesses in mind, balancing powerful features with an intuitive interface that anyone can use. Best of all, it's affordable, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. To learn more and see how it can transform your video SEO strategy, I've included a link in the description below. Don't miss this opportunity to give your business the visibility it deserves. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments which SEO tools you've tried and loved. Together, we can find the best solutions to grow your business online.